always say 不客气 when someone thanks you in Chinese. It's correct, but locals have more fun and natural ways to reply in different Chinese communities. In this quick video, you will learn 4 different and natural ways to say you're welcome, from casual slang to universal for daily life, so you can sound like a local. Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. Every week I will publish 3 videos. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so you can learn Chinese step by step with me. The most commonly used phrase to mean you're welcome in China is 没事. For example, at a cafe, when the waitress hands a coffee to you, 先生，您的咖啡。
谢谢你。
没事。When you say 没事, don't stress the third character, just roll your tongue a bit at the end. Say with me, 没事. Again, 没事. 没 means not. 事 means thing. It literally means no thing, which is nothing. 没事 is like saying no problem in English, super common with friends. In Taiwan, the most commonly used phrase to mean you are welcome is 不会. For example, a lady drops a wallet, a stranger helps pick it up.
小姐，你的钱包掉了。
谢谢你。
不会。
不 means not. 会 means the future tense marker, will here. In Taiwan, 不会 is super popular. It literally means won't happen. Like, don't worry about it. Say with me, 不会. Again, 不会. Next one is 小意思. It's used in casual settings for small favors like it's nothing. For example, you are in China, you lent your friend a pen.
我可以跟你借一支笔吗？
当然可以。
谢谢。
小意思。
Using 小意思 when the favor was tiny, like lending a pen or buying coffee. It's humble and cool. Now say with me, 小意思. Again, 小意思. The safest and most frequent choice of all is 不客气. Say with me, 不客气. Again, 不客气.
您好，欢迎光临，请进。
谢谢你啊。
不客气。
不客气 is your go-to for strangers, bosses, or anytime you want to play safe. Say it confidently, 不客气. If you want to learn more about the characters for 不客气, click on the left video that pops up at the end of the video or the link I left in the comments. If you have said 谢谢 before, tell us what reply you heard in the comments. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and give it a like so more people can see it. See you next time. 再见。